Good morning. I showered last night. As you can see, my hair is all curly, so I am going to straighten it quickly because I have to go out today. Okay, hair is done, makeup is done. All I did was put a little bit of concealer and some mascara. I usually don't do much for makeup anymore. I try and keep my skin pretty clear, but done enough for what I'm doing today. And I'm not quite dressed yet, but I gotta figure out if we're going to the property this morning before I go out today. So yesterday you saw that we couldn't put up a piece of drywall because of a pot filler, and I drew our kitchen layout on AutoCAD with the same program that we used to design the house. So now we have to figure out where the pot filler is gonna go, centered and stuff like that. But also we need to know like how the kitchen is being laid out. So I've posted this on my Instagram before, but this is basically our kitchen and our stove, and then this will be the range hood, fridge, and then this is our kitchen island with the sink and dishwasher. And then you can see like this is just cabinets here, and then drawers, and then here we have this will be like garbage and recycling, and then this is dishwasher and drawers and drawers. So, and this will be a countertop and then a bar top countertop. So I just drew a pot filler, and that's what it looks like. So now we have a dimension here from the end wall to the center of where the plumbing goes, because that is where the plumbing fitting goes in the wall, is at that point of the pot filler. And then from the countertop up, it would be 12 inches.
This is Dealer. This is why it's prison. What do you mean? Wait, really? Well, and I got class. Yay. And this is ice. And over here. And this is Damien. Say hi, Damien. Hi. And
Okay. Say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Okay, so Damien and I are headed out. Where are we going, dude? No, you don't want to say. We are going to Wyatt. Okay, we're going to Wyatt's birthday, his 3rd birthday. So we got his gift. We wrapped this morning, and I actually just had to head to the hardware store for Dad. They were gonna go to the property, but I don't know if they're going to now because we were working on everything this morning. But I am dressed a little bit nicer than this morning, and we got Dude, and we're gonna go have some fun for a couple hours. And Slaw, yeah. We're gonna go have some fun for a couple hours, and then we'll head home. Whoa, slow down. Oh. Watch Nick. Good job! Good job, Wyatt! Wow! Oh,
bud, you got a chair yet?
Whoa! Good. Good job, dude.
You got it.
Damien, let him do it. Damien.
Oh,
That's it.
what's that? Is that a
Will you
cream?
pass me that other one there and I'll put over here?
All right, we are home. It is now dark and 5 o'clock. It is snowing. Oops. Snowing and dark, but we're home. So I just wanted to show you quickly, but this is what I wore to Wyatt's birthday. I did my sweater dress with a belt and some leggings and some comfy socks, and it was just kind of like a cute casual, dress up casual with some jewelry, and yeah, I just thought it was cute. So we just bathed Damien because it is a school night. It is Sunday.
And I got a new sloth.
Yeah, cool.
He's sloth the sloth.
So Damien just had a bath, and we're actually going to do one of his books. He's not required to do it on Sundays or like the weekends. So every night after school we do a book. The book is read to him by either me or like the system, because it's on like an app, and then we read it together, and then Damien reads it himself, and then he answers some questions about the book. So he does that every night, 5 days a week, and he's been doing super awesome with it, haven't you? He's been doing really good. He gets a treat afterwards if he does it, and then he fills in a sheet, and if he fills in that sheet, then he takes it to school and he gets a treat from his teacher. So we're gonna do that. He's been asking to do it, which is awesome. Usually things like this is a fight with him. So anyways, we are going to do that, and then it'll be it for the night. And I hope you like this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Great job on a perfect score.
Yeah.
All done. Do you want some blueberry things now?
I want a cookie.
We don't have any cookies. Would you like some blueberry things?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want to do it now.
I'll get you 3, okay? I love you.
I want to do it now.
I love you.
I love you.
Good night.